Having a functional item is very beneficial, especially if you're living in a condo and has a small space, maximizing every square foot but still looking neat. Good thing I found this bedside table, which is also a mini vanity. Let me show you how we assembled it and how I organized this new bedside table.
Welcome to MBHack's channel. Not only do we organize your space, but also help you organize your life.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Em. I do organizing, life hacks, and life coaching contents. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more tips and updates. I got this bedside table slash mini vanity from Yan's shop on sale for 3,000 pesos. I've been hunting for a functional bedside table and I'm glad I found this. Upon opening the package, there is an instruction guide on how to assemble. It's easy to follow since the parts already have labels. All the screws and a small screwdriver are also included. You can easily assemble it on your own, but of course, I got help from Chad, my eldest son. I actually consider this as a bonding time with him, trying to figure out the instruction and building it together. This bedside table doesn't just give additional storage because of its drawers and shelves, but it also has a mirror and compartments where you can keep your valuables. It's small, but very functional. I love that it matches our small space. We are currently staying in a small condo, so having more storage space is a bit tricky. This bedside table mini vanity will serve as my storage for nail care supplies, makeup, accessories, and some of my filming items. A trick that I learned with a small space is having less things. It's impossible to make your space look pretty if there are a lot of clutter. I am far from being a minimalist, but having less things means less time to clean, and I'm all about being efficient. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Letting go of things that don't serve you anymore, or things that you have not used or even touched for a long time, can really lessen the stress and time in organizing them. Instead of spending time organizing and cleaning, why not use it on the most important things in our life, like spending time with our family and loved ones? I find that when I see less stuff and clutter, I am able to think clearer. What about you? So it's now time for the question of the day.
Question of the day.
How do you manage clutter? Share it with us in the comment section below. And now it's time to organize. But first, let me show you how it looked like before. I just had stackable shelf with lots of stuff, and not to mention, it's not very pleasing to the eyes. Looks cluttered and a bit messy, isn't it? I just want to look my way and never back to you. And this is how it looks like now. I love how neat it looks because of the white color. It's small but has a lot of storage space. This plant is, yes, fake, which I got from Lazada, but it added color. On top of the table, I just put my phone and my water bottle. We always have to stay hydrated, so that's always beside me. On the shelf, I just have my journal and pencil case for the pens that I use for journaling. I also have the book that I am currently reading and our AC remote. Let me remove my stuff so I can show you the top storage of this table. I just keep some of my watches and jewelry that I use on a daily and my camera accessories. It has a mirror, so I can use this when doing my makeup too. In the drawer, I just keep my tissue and some nail care stuff. I repurposed the plastic microwavable container to make it more organized since I already have a lot of those. I also have here my night essentials, like Tiger Balm, herbal inhaler, which makes me sleep like a baby. And I also keep my lip balm here in case I have chapped lips. I put that before going to bed. In the side, I just placed my makeup kit there so it's easy to grab when I need it. And that's it for my bedside table slash mini vanity. I'm very happy to have discovered this. It really made my room look more neat, plus making it more organized. My stuff already has a home. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram for updates. Thank you so much for staying until the end. Keep in mind that there is always something to be grateful for. Bye!
Welcome to MB Hacks channel. Not only do we